If your games are lagging or Windows 11 made your gaming experience worse, stop scrolling. In this video, I will show you 7 effective ways to optimize Windows 11 for gaming. These settings are designed for both low-end and high-end PC users to achieve smoother gameplay. Number 1. Disable visual effects. Windows uses multiple visual effects that look good but consume CPU and RAM resources. To disable these effects, right-click on this PC icon. If you do not see this PC icon, right-click on any empty space on the desktop and select Personalize. Go to Themes, then open Desktop Icon Settings. Check the computer box, click Apply, and then click OK. You will now see this PC icon on your desktop. Now right-click on it, select Properties. Open Advanced System Settings. Click on Performance Settings, choose Adjust for Best Performance, and then apply the changes. Number 2. Enable Game Mode. Windows Game Mode helps prioritize your game by limiting background processes and allocating more system resources to gameplay. To enable this feature, open Settings, go to Gaming, and turn Game Mode on to improve overall gaming performance. Number 3. Disable background apps. Many applications continue running in the background and silently use system resources while you are playing games. To stop this, open Settings, go to Apps, select Startup, and disable applications that you do not need during gameplay. Number 4. High-performance graphics. Sometimes Windows runs games on integrated graphics instead of the dedicated GPU, which results in lower performance. To fix this, open Settings, go to System, then Display, select Graphics, add your game, open Options, and choose the High Performance option. Number 5. Best Power Mode. Power-saving modes can limit CPU and GPU performance and cause FPS drops during gaming. To avoid this, open Settings, go to Power and Battery, and set the power mode to best performance, especially if you are using a laptop. Number 6. Disable Game Bar. Game Bar and background recording features run continuously and can reduce FPS during gameplay. To disable these features, open Settings, go to Gaming, open Game Bar, and turn all options off. Then return to the previous menu, open Captures, and disable all these options including Record What Happened. Number 7. Storage Cleanup Settings. Temporary files can slow down system responsiveness and cause stutters while gaming. To clean them, open Settings, go to System, select Storage, delete temporary files, and enable storage sense to keep your system optimized. That's it for this video. These settings should help you achieve smoother gameplay and more stable FPS on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more gaming fixes and optimization guides. If you have any doubts, questions, or face any issues, feel free to ask in the comments. I read and reply to every comment. Thank you for watching the video.